In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number in WhatsApp and save your conversations, group, etc. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp. Then we need to go to Settings. Here we can easily find Account. And that's where we need to tap at Change Number. After that, we'll be taken to the screen where it informs us that we can use this feature to migrate our account info, groups and settings from our current phone number to a new phone number. Keep in mind that we can't undo this action. To continue, I'm just gonna hit Next. Now there we need to enter our old phone number. I'm just gonna autofill it. Then down below here we need to enter our new phone number. If it is necessary, you can also change your location or country by tapping right here. That's where we can use search to search for our country. And then after that we can enter here our new phone number, and then to continue just hit at Next. Now it says that we are about to change our phone number from this to that, and also we can choose if we would like to notify our contacts about that. If we would like to do so, we need to activate it, and then to continue hit at Done. After that, we need to confirm this action by hitting right here at Yes, and then we'll be redirected to the page where we'll need to confirm that we are having access to our phone numbers. They will send you a confirmation code which you will need to enter to continue. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.